Hey everyone, welcome back to Cloud Sutra. Today we are presenting another two exciting job opportunities. The first one is from Canonical, where they are hiring for Cloud Support Associate Engineer for a remote role. This role involves delivering exceptional technical support across the full cloud stack, handling new cases, contributing to knowledge base articles, and representing Canonical at events. Ideal candidate have a bachelor degree in a technical field, strong Linux troubleshooting skills, cloud computing knowledge, and scripting proficiency. Secondly, from Amagi is hiring for a system engineer to build and deploy solutions for customer proof of concept and testing. Responsibilities include automating workflows, leading product discussion, and creating technical demos. Candidates should have a bachelor degree in technical field, scripting expertise, Linux administrator skills, and a background in cloud technologies. If you are ready to excel in cloud support or system engineer, apply now for these rewarding positions. Don't forget to subscribe to Cloud Sutra for more. Thank you.